Hello everyone, welcome to Next Gen Bright Minds. So let's dive into the alphabet sounds with more fun examples. Okay, you can see here A. A sounds A, ant, A, apple, A, astronaut, A, anteater, A, ambulance, A, axe. B sounds B, B, bus, B, ball, B, balloon, B, bug, B, banana, B, butterfly. C sounds K, K, carrot, K, cat, K, cupcake, K, cup, K, car, K, corn. Let's start with letter D. D, dog, D, dolphin, D, duck, D, drum, D, dice, D, desk. Whenever we repeat more and more, then kids will be able to grasp very easily with the sounds. Now next letter is E. E sounds A, A, elephant, A, Eskimo, A, envelope, A, egg, A, emerald, A, eggplant. Sound of letter F. Five, fan, frog, feather, fire truck, fish. Now let's come to letter G. G sounds G, G, goat, G, goose, G, grapes, G, gate, G, guitar, G, gift. Sound of letter H, 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 horse, H, house, H, hen, H, helicopter, H, hat, H, hammer. Sound of letter I. I sounds E, E, igloo, E, infant, E, injection, E, ink, E, iguana, E, insect. J sounds J, 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 juice, J, jam, J, jet, J, jeep, J, jelly, J, jacket. K sounds K, K, kennel, K, key, K, kit, K, king, K, kiwi, K, kite. L sounds L, L, leaf, L, lion, L, lollipop, L, lamp, L, log, L, leg. M sounds mm, mango, moon, mosquito, man, mouse, magnet. N sounds mm, mm, nine, nail, nest, net, nap, nose. O sounds A. Orangutan, A. O says A. Orange, A. Ostrich, A. On, A. Octagon, A. Octopus. P says P. P. Pot, P. Pig, P. Pencil, P. Pumpkin, P. Pizza, P. Pan. Here comes a special letter Q. Q is very good friend of letter U, and they both together make sounds quack, quack, quack. Q sounds quack, 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 queen, quack, quiz, quack, quite, quack, quill, quack, quail. R sounds r, rain, r, rose, r, rat, r, red, r, rainbow, r, rocket. S sounds s, sandwich, sun, socks, snail, snake, star. Sound of letter T, 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 tap, t, telephone, t, ten, t, tennis, t, tiger, t, tomato. U sounds a. Sound of letter U is o, 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 up, o, umbrella, o, upside down, o, under construction, o, unblock, o, unhappy. V sounds ooh, ooh, ooh. V sounds ooh, vase, ooh, van, ooh, vulture, ooh, volcano, ooh, vegetables, ooh, vest. W sounds w, 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 watermelon, w, watch, w, well, w, web, w, wagon, w, wind. X. X sounds x, x, six, x, fox, x, x-ray, x, fix, x, box, x, wax. Sound of letter Y. Y. Y sounds y. Yachet, yarn, York, yellow, yuck, yo-yo. Z sounds z, z, zigzag, z, zebra, z, zucchini, z, zero, z, zebra crossing, z, zip. Till here, we learned all the alphabet letter sounds. Alphabet letter name is different and sound is different. Now let's start revising all the sounds one after another. A, b, k, d, e, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, a, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, w, s, y, z. If kids practice continuously with these letter sounds, they are able to blend the letters to form a word very easily. Share your favorite sounds in the comment section. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.